What's good, guys? It's your favorite Slim Shady here with another video. As you read from the title, you know what's about to go down. But first, if you are new to the channel, just seen this beautiful face, my name is Rafaya. I am the owner of this channel where there is nothing but pure good vibes. If you want some good vibes in your life, I suggest that you click that subscribe button, then turn your post notification on to join the family. If you are not new, I just want to say welcome back to my channel, babies, and thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Without further ado, let's get into the video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a vision board, my 2023 vision board. Fun fact, this is the first time I'm going to make a vision board. Well, yeah, technically this is going to be my first official vision board. I've made a vision board on my phone before, but it wasn't for the right purposes. Or let me just say, I didn't go through with the method of it being a vision board and what I was supposed to do. I just saw someone do it, made it for myself, but I honestly did not go through with the proceedings of what I had on the collage digitally, which it was kind of like a vision board, yes. But this is going to be my official vision board. I am so excited for this, guys. I really hope it turns out great. I also hope that you guys like it, and I really hope that I get majority of the stuff checked off by the following new year, so I can either remove them from the vision board and add more stuff, and also to feel accomplished. So yeah, that's the video. That's the journey that we're on today. Before I get into the hardcore stuff, I just want to expound on what I'm talking about a little bit, just in case I have persons who don't really get what I am talking about or understand what I'm going to get into. I'm going to start off with what is a vision board. Now, according to Google, a vision board is a collage of images and words representing a person's wishes or goals intended to serve as inspirations or motivations. No. Yes and no. Why a vision board could even be just a list of stuff you have in your phone that you want to check off by the end of the year, to me. So yeah, yes and no to that definition from my perspective, because your vision board could possibly be your notes with some jottings of stuff you want to get done for the week, or a list of some stuff you want to get done for the year, if you pick up what I'm putting down. Well, of course, but yeah, that's just my definition. I am going to tell you guys basic types of vision board. The first one, they have collages in bracket. They have by poster boards, cardboards, or even frames. The second one, they have digital boards in bracket. They have on your computer, phone, or Pinterest. So Pinterest is basically an app where you can store stuff. So like I was explaining earlier, your vision board could be in any format. The third format they have is bullet journals, so I explained that earlier as well. In your notes or on a little notepad that you have, you put bulletins of stuff that you want to get done by a certain time period. The next one they have is dream walls, which is the fourth one. Dream walls, I'm figuring it's probably like in the office where they have their large wall with basic like stuff that they want to get done or goals that the department needs to meet by a certain time frame. The final and last one they have on there is metal or string grids. I don't know what that is, but I'll try to insert a picture of what that is right here. But the one that I'm going to be doing is the first one, which is collages. I do have the materials and stuff to make it. I bought them the other day. Guys, most of the videos that I'm creating now, they're like ideas that I've had stored in my phone. So basically there's stuff coming off a vision board. So I'm basically doing a vision board in a vision board, if you're picking up what I'm putting down. But yeah, I've had these ideas a long time, so I've had some materials and stuff to make it, so I just got other stuff to do it officially now. So yeah, that was my little explanation slash presentation on what we are going to do. So let's go. Now for the things that I have to create my vision board, in no specific order, I'm just going to go ahead and show you the stuff that I have. The first thing is this, which is going to be the base of my vision board. I want to say that this is called a sugar board. If it's not a sugar board, please don't crucify me. Me a big man, a long time I left school. But yeah guys, I got it in the cartridge paper section. I know that it's not a cartridge paper, but I don't remember what this is, for the love of me. But yeah, it's a thicker version of cartridge paper. I feel like having this at the back will make my poster be more sturdy and last longer. So that is it. That's the base for my vision board. The second thing that I have, hold up, wait a minute, oh, it's the cartridge paper. I really wanted lavender, y'all, but for the life of me, there wasn't any lavender anywhere. And y'all know I hate purple. The closest thing to the lavender that they had was purple. Hell no. But this little pinky pink, I guess it's cute or whatever, so this is what we're finna work with. The other thing that we have to make my vision board is glue. So we have cornell, we have stick glue, we have some decorations. These are some stars, y'all, with glitter on them. I figured they are cute and they would, yeah, they were cute. And the marker, I have more markers and stuff in my little stationery stuff that I have at home, so I probably need to go and get those as well. But yeah, those, I have a little ruler just in case. We have tape. This is the clear tape. This is what I'm going to use to attach the poster to the wall in my room. We have scissors to cut out and do any form of cut that we want to do. Oh, I need to get a pencil as well. Yeah, get with it. And the last stuff I have are the cutouts. So I'm basically supposed to cut these out so I could paste them on the vision board. Now, if you guys are not seeing them clearly right now, don't mind, nevertheless, because I'm going to cut them out off camera, then come back and explain to you guys what each of the cutouts represent. Then I'm going to time lapse myself making the vision board, because I don't want the video to be long and drawn out. I don't want to bore you guys to death. So yeah, that's what we're finna do. Okay, so guys, I have all the pictures here with me, but like I said earlier, I'm going to be explaining what each of the pictures mean to me and basically why I'm putting them on my vision board, instead of making the video long and drawn out by making the vision board and as I go along I explain what they are. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys each of the pictures and explain or expound on what they are and basically why I'm putting it on my vision board. Also, a main and an important fact that I did not add in the video at first is when you're making a vision board, you have to be realistic. You can't have a picture of Dubai on your vision board and you don't have a passport, or you're not working to even make money to book a ticket. Period. Understand? Like, you can't have a picture of a big mansion if you are not working, or you don't have no means, no farm off where anything to get money to help you to build a mansion. You have to put stuff, realistic stuff that you know will come true, or that you know you will try your best to work towards making happen. Okay, so bear in mind when I'm going to add these pictures on my vision board, they're not going to be in any specific order, and that is just how I like it. I don't have a lot of pictures because, again, that is how I want it to be. I don't want it to be like this bulky, confusing collage. I am going to put it in the perspective or the way I know that will work for me in order for me to get some of the things that I have on my vision board checked off. Okay, so in no specific order, I'm just going to start off by explaining the pictures to you guys. So the first picture that I want to show you guys is this one. It says push to reset. Now this to me is basically going to be a reset button. Now let me grab my notepad because I did make notes of all the pictures that I'm going to be showing you guys. So the reset button. Now with this one, I basically said that I want to channel new refreshing energy in order for my goals on the vision board to come through, which also includes breaking bad habits and just putting a different twist to things I usually do for better outcomes. That's plain as day, that's simple. The next picture that I'm going to show you guys is this one. It says, God is within her, she will not fall. Psalms chapter 46 verses 5. Now with this picture, that's basically on being spiritual, that's basically on being godly. To expound on that, I said in everything you do, you must put God in the midst. You must stay prayed up. That's very essential / vital. Also, I want to challenge myself to read the entire Bible. The next picture that I want to show you guys is this one. It says positive energy. Yep, positive energy, and that's on positivity, y'all. To expound, I said, let me start off by saying I am not a negative person. It's just that I feel the need to enforce more positivity in me. I went as far as saying I don't know about others, but for me, nothing in life ever comes smoothly. If it even does so, that's rare. But I don't let that be a bother to me either, because I look at it as God giving some hard battle to one of his strongest soldier, like what everyone would probably say. Also, quite a few times I caught up with myself not being positive enough, so I definitely have to change that. The next picture, or pictures rather, that I'm going to show you guys are these pictures. Let me see, how can I put it? So it's a girl right there with a fire body, a dark skinned girl with a fire body, a huge bottle of water, and like someone with kinky hair like mine, but they're basically on like a hair growth journey. Now these, I categorize them into one, and that's going to be body goals. So with this one, I said I love my body. It's just that I feel the need to be more confident with it. In doing so, I'm going to do more in enhancing these particular subjects. I'm gonna go on a body toning journey. Hopefully all goes well so I can execute this. Not gonna go too much into details because I'm going to do a video on that. Actually guys, I already started doing that video, but like I said, I'm not going to do too much on that because that's a separate video for itself. I said also I need to incorporate eating consistently, eating healthy, drinking water, and exercising. The next picture that I'm going to share with you guys is this one. So it's basically how your phone would look if someone was calling you. Well, mostly for iPhones, this is basically how it would look if someone was calling you, but in the caller ID it says money. Now I'm definitely accepting this call. So with this picture, expounding on it, I categorized it as bossing up. I said I want to be my own boss, y'all. I'm thinking of starting my own business. I'm not going to do too much or go into too much details with this one, as I'm going to be making a video on that very soon. So yeah, hopefully I pull through with this, and I can check this off my vision board. But like I said, I am not trying to do too much or say too much on that. The next picture that I want to share with you guys is this one. It says save money, and it's basically a piggy bank with hands putting coins in there, and as you can see, the coins are going up, the coins are going up. Now with this one, I saved it as saving. And this is pretty much self-explanatory. I said I need to spend wisely. If it's even to join a saving group, for example, you know, partner, and them thing there, I need to limit unnecessary spending. Same thing as spending wisely, etc. Because as a young adult with little responsibilities, I feel like I shouldn't be at this stage with saving, you know, but it's literally my reality, and hopefully I make major changes this year. The next picture that I want to share with you guys is this one. Yeah, so if you guys are not seeing it clearly, this is basically a couple. This is the guy holding the hand of the female. So with this, you already know what it is about. I categorize this one as relationship management. Now in this, I said that I want to enhance effective communications, mutual agreements, spending time together, etc. The next picture, or pictures rather, that I want to share with you guys are these. Ooh. Yeah, so it is 3 pictures. They're all dark skin beauties. This one is basically doing like a facial or skincare routine for her face. This one right here is relaxing, living her best life it seems. This one right here is chilling. So with a little face mask on, drinking a little wine or whatnot. So with these pictures, I categorize them as a soft girl era. So with this, I expound on saying keep up poised at all times. You look how you feel how you look. Try my best to look good always. I also said hair, nails, and skin should be on point always, which will help in my confidence that needs a bit of saving. Laugh out loud. The next picture, or pictures rather, that I want to share with you guys are these. So this is a picture of a girl outside, a true melanin queen outside, living her best life, it seems, having fun, it seems. This picture is another melanin queen, and she looks like just the it girl. She is super cute, all dressed up. With these pictures, I categorize them as it girl era, and I expound on saying I definitely have to live a little, at least once per month. I need to spread my wings. I need to dress up, which is my favorite thing to do, take pictures and be free. With this, I'll be able to build my feed. The next picture that I want to share with you guys is this one. And it's a picture of all clocks. Now, I categorize this one as time management. I expound on saying I feel like this is a skill because some people just got this locked. Anything timely that I have to work on is like I have to do it like I'm doing maths. And if you know me, you know maths is not my strength, but I'm definitely looking forward on making progress on this aspect. And actually I feel good about this because I've started making changes in time sensitive situations. I just need to keep it up. And yeah, the time management, which is the picture of the clocks, that was the last picture. I have some more which are like, this is a picture saying 2023. This is a picture of the same quote saying good things are coming all the way down. This other one says focus on your goals, baby girl. This one says I am healthy, wealthy and happy. Yay, I read that backwards. This one is like a picture of traveling. Yeah, basically that's a picture of traveling. And this as well, it's just the passports. So yeah, these are some that I'm going to attach around or in spaces that I have left, but the other ones, those are my main focus right now. This for 2023, I'm basically going to put it at the top as part of the header for the vision board, and these are like good boosters. I'm going to incorporate them in the collage to give me like boosting, you know. And for the picture, shout out to Tyra because she was the one that helped me with them. So yeah, I pretty much explained all the stuff and all the pictures that I have to use for this collage, guys. Now it's up to me to go and try and make it happen. Let's get into making.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's the number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Baby got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on it.
Okay, so guys, after 1 hour and 28 minutes, this is the outcome. I really like it. It's simple and cute. And like I said, this is basically how I wanted it. I really wanted the cartridge paper to be smaller, but after sizing up the pictures on there, I realized that I had to use this whole piece, but I really like the outcome. Like I said, it's really cute and simple, and yeah, hopefully I can look at these, and by the end of this year going on to next year, I can make some checks as I go along by progress. So yeah, I am going to just put the tape at the back and stick it up at a designated area in my room. I'm not sure where as yet, but yeah, that is it from me in today's video, guys. If you haven't already, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and leave some positive feedbacks. Also, follow me on all my social media platforms at AYAFARRR. That is Ayafar with 3 R's. Until next time, walk good. Love you guys. Peace.
May I have your attention, please?